Picture this, a client calls you up and they want to have a quick chat on Zoom. Problem is, you're not at the office and your background looks, well, let's just say you need a decent background. Well, not to worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a Zoom virtual background, just like this one, then you can use it for your meetings. Hi, my name is Paris, and on this channel we share with you tools and tips to grow your business with online marketing. So consider subscribing so that you don't miss out on any new videos. So the first thing you do is to go to canva.com. If you have an account, you can sign in. If you don't have an account, you can sign up. So I'm already signed in, so we'll just continue. So you go to this search bar here, and then you'll type in Zoom background. I'd already searched it, so I'll just click on that. And now we have numerous templates to choose from. So you can scroll down to see which one you like. The key is to try and make it simple so that you don't also distract the people who are in the meeting. So you can choose a picture, or you can even choose a video, or you can use a still image. So I'm going to be using a still image. So we'll click on this first one. Then it's going to open for us in a new editing window. So in this template, you can see that there's a logo here, and there's also a name and a title, and also a website. So we can customize this one to make it ours. So I'll just delete this. Then I'm going to upload my logo here. So I'll go to upload. Then I'll choose one of the transparent logos here and resize it. I want to have it on this corner. I'm also going to add in a circle so that it's visible. So I can choose one of these circles here, and then I'll bring it to be just above the logo. I'll also make it white, then send it backwards so that we have the logo in front of it. Then we can try and center the logo there. I'll also change this name to my name, and I'll also change the title here. You can also choose to retain the website. I'll delete it, I don't really need it. That is how easy it is to customize a still image. So once you're happy with your design, you can go to the download option here and just download it. PNG is suggested, so we'll just download it as that. So once it's downloaded, the next step is to enable the virtual backgrounds feature on Zoom. So you'll go to the Zoom web portal, and then you'll go to your account. Then you go to this navigation bar and select settings. Then here you'll see another sort of mini menu. Then you're going to go to where it says in meeting advanced. Click that. So this is in meeting advanced. And then you scroll down until you find the virtual background section. So this is it. And then you go to this button here. It will either enable or disable depending on the setting that you currently have. So right now I've disabled it, so you can see that it's gray. So I'll just tap it to enable it, and you can see that my settings have now been updated. So once you've done that, you now go to the Zoom app, or if you're on desktop, you go to the Zoom desktop client, and then you go to settings. And then you scroll down to where it says background and filters, and you click that. Yeah, and you can already see me in one of the Zoom backgrounds. So these are the default ones that come with Zoom. You can see, for example, this one is a video. You can see the ocean behind me, and then you can have a still image. So we'll just add in the one that we made. So we go to add image here, and then we just click on that. So you can now see me in our background. So this is a really neat way of ensuring that you can enter into meetings on the go. So in addition, you can go to where it says studio effects, and then you can play around with this. So you can add in some eyebrows. Yeah, so you can see that I already have my eyebrows done there. You can also change the color of that. For the men, you can do mustache and beards. And then you can also add in, for the ladies, some lip color. So now I have some lip color there. Yeah, I hope you're seeing the power of this. I mean, you can do this on the go. That's the point, really. So if you don't want any of those, you can just reset. So I've just reset that. Then you can apply to future meetings if you want to do that. So if I had a green screen, I would have checked this option for the green screen, but I don't have that, so there's no need of me checking that. So if you have a green screen, then you want to check this option. So I'm just going to add in a couple of other backgrounds that I made, and then we can just have a feel of what those ones look like. So I'll quickly just add them, and then we can just look at them. So I've added in a few other backgrounds. Let me just show you what those look like. I hope that was helpful. If it was, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. Also feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.